this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Samsung S25 to car Bluetooth. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up any Samsung smartphone and connect it to your car's Bluetooth system. This will allow you to control media, to use the Maps application, and all sorts of functions. So, to do this, you will use Bluetooth. First of all, go into your car's dashboard and find the Bluetooth section. Sadly, this is going to depend for every single model. For this video, I chose this BMW as an example. However, as I've said before, while the general steps are going to be the same, specific things might differ. For this particular model, the Bluetooth option is available under Telephone. And when you go into Bluetooth, you will see the option to add a new device. So choose Bluetooth and add new phone. If this option is not available for your particular car, then look in other menus until you see the option to use Bluetooth and pair up new devices. Immediately upon doing this, usually you will be presented with a specific identification number. So for example, this car will give you 4 numbers, so BMW, and then 4 numbers. Now, if you go into the Bluetooth settings of the S25, you enable it, it is going to appear under the list of available devices. So all that you have to do is choose the device once it enters pairing mode. So in this case, the BMW will start trying to look for devices to pair with, which means that it is discoverable by your S25. Then once you choose your car from the list here, it is going to be connected. You might have to enter the same passkey on the car and also the S25, so if that's needed, type out the same passkey between both, and it is going to remain connected here. So you will see the connection status change, and you are now able to use the functions on your S25 wirelessly through Bluetooth on your car. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung S25 to car Bluetooth. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.